A PayPal business account provides businesses with tools and features tailored to their needs, facilitating online transactions, invoicing, and payment processing. Here's how a PayPal business account works. Sign up. Businesses can sign up for a PayPal business account on the PayPal website. During registration, they provide details about their business, including contact information and business type. Verification. PayPal verifies the business information provided during sign-up to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and prevent fraud. Payment processing. With the PayPal business account, businesses can accept payments from customers using various methods, including PayPal, credit cards, and debit cards. Customers can pay online through the business website, invoices, or PayPal checkout. Invoicing. Businesses can create and send invoices to customers directly from their PayPal account. Invoices can be customized with branding, item details, and payment terms. Reporting and analytics. PayPal business accounts offer reporting and analytics tools to track sales, transactions, and payment trends. Businesses can gain insights into their financial performance and customer behavior. Integration. PayPal Business integrates with various e-commerce platforms, website builders, and accounting software to streamline business operations and financial management. Fees. PayPal charges transaction fees for processing payments received through a business account. These fees vary based on factors such as transaction volume, currency, and payment method.